Howdy, it's Nick here from Lumberjack Tools. Today's video I will be helping you put together this DP13-580B benchtop drill press. Let's get into it and see what we get in the box. Alright, there's an overall look of what you'll get in the box. Now, it is a pretty simple build, so let's get into it. Now first up, you're going to need the base plate, then you're going to need the column, then you're going to need the 3 nuts that come with it. Next, you're going to need a 13mm spanner. So basically, line up your 3 holes with what's on there, and then screw in your 3 bolts. And there we go. Next, you'll need your little table and the little lever to tighten it down. Basically, just slide it over the top, screw it in this side. Right, this next bit is pretty easy. Get the drill press, put it on top, and you put it on top via that hole there. Then you get your big Allen key out of the 2, tighten these 2 down. Right, next up, get your 3 handles, and you basically just screw them in around here. And there we go. Next we'll put the guard on. And just a little side note, when you get the drill press you will have to put the chuck on yourself, but that's easily put on. I've put it on beforehand. When you get it, just push it on, and while it's there, to make sure that none of the grips are poking through, get a bit of wood, then just push down and it will put on. Now with the guard, all you gotta do is get the little nut and bolts, pop it through and bolt it down. And then with your springs, 2 little holes right at the top here, hook them in. If you are having trouble getting it in while this is attached, take it off, put them in, put it back on, and then do the bolt. It'll be a lot easier doing it that way. So right, there we go, that is one fully assembled drill press, and that is the DP13-580B. If you have any comments or questions, do not hesitate to put them below, and don't forget to check out lumberjacktools.co.uk for more great products like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.